I will show you how to install horn relay in your car. So I guess you might know why a horn relay is needed because you have already landed in this video. So, but still, some people don't know why you need a horn relay of this kind for your car. It's just simple thing. If your car already has a single horn and you want to install multiple horn, like you might need the horn relay like this because the car doesn't support the electricity for both of the horn. So sometimes if you install horn, dual horn like this without installing the horn relay, the fuse, there is more chances of likely to a fuse going off. So I have done that, so and my car's fuse is already gone. So I'm now today installing this 4-pin horn relay from Roots. So you don't need it particularly like this. You can opt for other horn relays like Minda and other branded horn relays. So let's get started. Unbox this relay as I said. So when we open this relay, I'll just keep it on the floor so that everyone can see. The relay you buy, the 4 pin, will be similar to this. Now which I have bought is Roots. I can see the symbol here. It is a 12 volt and 40 amps mini relay. This is usually used for horn which has 4 pin. This is called 4 pin relay. So you have mainly these terminals which are 30, 87, 86 and 85. You need to remember these values because in this video I will tell you how to connect the wiring from car and the harness to this relay. So these numbers are important. So let's consider this as the front of the this relay, and when we flip it down you can see the numbers. Okay, let me turn on the flash. No, it's fine, I guess. You can see numbers 86, 85, 40, 30 and 87. These will be important as these are the terminals you have to connect. The port number 30 we can see, which is below, or we can say backside of the relay. So it should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So I have currently wired a yellow wire. As you can see, I will next connect to it to the battery. So this yellow wire goes backside of the engine, so it should not get contact with the radiator or any other moving parts like this timing belt and chain. And then it is till here. I have to now connect it and make a connection coupler to this port, which is port number 30. So other two ports which are important are 86 and 85. So here there will be two wires coming from the car, so which usually goes to the main horn, which is as you can see it is here. So these are the two wires, 1 and 2. So as you can see, this is an Alto, and you can see it will be usually black in color. So those black in color wires couplers, you need to connect it to port number 86 and 85, so such that you get the switch from the car horn that is in the steering. So one left out pin will be 87. I will explain you. Will again tell you again. So the port number 30 should be connected to the battery terminal positive, and the port number 86 and 85, which are these. So when you consider this left and right, these ports should be connected to the wires coming from the car, which is these black ports, black connectors, sorry. So this you can see here. So that those green and black wires, this wire, it is coming from the car, so this is come from the steering wheel. So you need to connect to this, and left, the final left socket will be the port number 87, which is it should be connected to the horns. So I will explain how it is done. I will also upload a wiring video, I mean a written diagram, so you can easily understand this. First thing you need to do is you need to connect these and this both horns. Now as you can see, I am currently using two horns without the horn relay, but today I am going to install it. So the thing you need to do is you need to connect both of these relays. It can be any terminal, any side, it will be fine. Just a positive side one wire and another one black wire. another one negative, so combined. So you need to take two wires from that, which is positive and a negative. It can be given to any ground, like this. Here I have given it to a ground. So that in the horn, so from two wires, let me tell you. So you can see there will be two terminals, right? So you need to connect both of the horns with those two terminals, like one for the positive and one for the negative. Then you need to combine and take a wire from that. So negative should be then connected to the ground of this, and positive should be connected to the 87 port of this. So there is nothing called positive and negative in horn, because there you can change the terminals of the horn. It will be fine. So let's do it. I will upload the diagram. You can understand it. I will now make the couplers for this and install it and show you how it's done. Thank you. So it's done. So as you can see, as I said, 86 and 85, right? So I will remove the wires coming to the horn from the car. So as you can see here, these two wires, which is black couplers. So what I will do is connect those two to the ports, which is 86 and 85, which is on the sides. See, this is the front, and I have connected two wires to the port number 86 and 87. I need to remove this old wires. Then this yellow wire, which is currently I am running from the battery. No, not I am currently not connected, and I will suggest you to not connect at the first two, because if there is a battery positive terminal and if the wire touches to the body, there will be a spark, or maybe messing up with the wire. So I will suggest you to do it in the last. So I am not connected, I have kept it there and left it. The current thing I need to do is connect this port, which is the port number 87, to these two horns. So I need to combine it. So this is the final look of the horn relay. So I have connected and made all the wires, and now it's currently turning. I will show the horn sound later. So you can see both horns are connected. I have made a custom wiring. So as you can see, two wires connected there and two wires connected here to these horns, and from that wiring harness, one goes to the negative and another one comes here, which I have made. As you can see, the blue wire, I have taped that because there are two wires. One wire is going to the horn and another one is coming to this relay. So that is port number 87. So you should connect the one wire to 87 from the horn and one wire to negative. So that's it. I will show you the final video, just tying up and cleaning all the mess and cleaning the wires. Yeah, thank you.